So you're sitting on a plane, baby crying behind you, engines roaring outside, someone next to you chewing chips like they're auditioning for a Crunch commercial. And yet, you slap on your fancy noise-canceling headphones, and suddenly, peace, magic. Nah, it's science, and it's a little weird. Welcome to Think Bits, where I explain stuff so you can sound smart later without doing any actual reading. The first thing you gotta know is that sound is basically just vibrations traveling through the air. Think of air as one big invisible trampoline. When something makes a sound, it's bouncing that trampoline. Your ears, they're like the unfortunate neighbors stuck listening to the party. Noise-canceling headphones are the bouncers at the door who say, "Nope, you're not on the list." But here's the trick. These headphones don't just block noise by padding your ears. That's like putting pillows over your head. It works for some stuff, but not for that engine roar. Instead, they fight sound with more sound. Yep, that's right. They literally cancel out sound by creating the opposite sound wave. If regular noise is like throwing a wave in a pool, noise cancellation is someone else throwing the exact same wave from the opposite side. When they meet, boom, flat water. Or in your ears, silence. How do they pull this off? Tiny microphones built into the headphones are always listening to the outside noise. It's kind of creepy, but they're not spying on you. They just detect the incoming sound waves. Then, super fast computer chips inside generate a mirror version of that wave, same shape, but flipped upside down. That's called destructive interference, because the two waves basically destroy each other when combined. It's like if someone yells "yeah" and another person yells "new." At the exact same time in the exact same tone, you just hear nothing. Okay, maybe that's not the best party example, but you get it. Now, you might wonder, does this work on every sound? Sadly, no. These headphones are best at canceling out steady, predictable noises like airplane engines, air conditioners, or your neighbor's lawnmower that somehow only gets used at 7 a.m., but if someone claps their hands, slams a door, or yells your name, the headphones aren't fast enough to kill it. So you're safe from drones of noise, but not from sudden chaos, which honestly feels like life in general. Here's another fun thing. There are two types of noise cancellation: passive and active. Passive is just the padding on the headphones blocking sound like the pillow over the head trick. Active is the high-tech wave-canceling magic we've been talking about. Together, they're like Batman and Robin. Alone, one is cool, the other is just kind of foam. Now, you might also notice that noise-canceling headphones don't actually make things totally silent. Instead, they reduce the noise to a point where your brain goes, "Ah, this is chill." It's not about erasing the world. It's about making the world less irritating, kind of like muting your group chat notifications without actually leaving the group. Now, the drama is still happening, but it's not your problem right now. And before you think this is just a luxury gadget thing, noise cancellation is actually super important in real life. Pilots use it in cockpits because, surprise, planes are really loud. People use it to protect hearing in noisy environments, or just to focus without the constant hum of background chaos. Basically, it's not just about your playlist sounding better. It's about giving your ears a break from the endless noise festival that is modern life. So next time you slip on those headphones and feel like you've escaped reality for a second, remember it's not magic. It's just science trolling sound with sound. Honestly, kind of petty, but in the best way possible. Alright, that's it. Now you know how noise cancellation actually works, and you didn't even need a physics degree or a monk-level patience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting bite-sized brain snacks from Think Bits. Because honestly, who doesn't want to casually explain destructive interference at a party? You'll sound smarter, and maybe, just maybe, someone will stop crunching chips in your ear.